Love is in the air, and there's no better way than to celebrate Valentine's Day with a timeless gift from Italo jewelry. Whether you're just surprising that special one or just treating yourself, find the perfect piece to make this Valentine's Day so unforgettable. Don't miss out on their Valentine's Day sale. Shop their spectacular items with an amazing discount code that I will have displayed on the screen for you all to enjoy. And welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am TK. This channel focuses on attainable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and all things luxury, but always at a minimal cost. Italo jewelry is also backed by customer satisfaction. They offer worldwide shipping with a 60-day return policy, and yes, a 1-year warranty on all of their fine jewelry. Let's just get into these amazing pieces that Italo jewelry sent me. The Italo round cut eternity wedding band is a timeless piece that symbolizes ending love and commitment. It's expertly crafted with 925 sterling silver. This ring features a continuous circles of round cut sapphires, each meticulously set to create a seamless and radiant design. The round cut sapphires, a prong set with a shine that ensures that this ring will catch the light from every angle. This elegant eternity band is perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or just a meaningful gift to celebrate a special occasion. Its classic designs ensure its complement various engagement rings, or it can be worn alone for a sophisticated look. The classic golden round cut tennis bracelet from Italo jewelry is a timeless piece that exudes elegance and sophistication. Expertly crafted in an 18-karat gold plate over sterling silver, this bracelet features a continuous line of round cut white sapphires, each created in a seamless and radiant design. The bracelet's design ensures a comfortable fit, making it suitable for daily wear or a special occasion. It's a classic tennis bracelet style, allows it to be paired effortlessly with various outfits, adding a touch of luxury to any ensemble. Wasn't those pieces amazing? Please don't forget, Valentine's Day is tomorrow, but you can still get these items at this discounted price by using my coupon code Tomakio20, or if you buy 2 items, you can bundle and get this a Valentine's discount code of VL25 to get 25% off your purchase. And I would like to thank Italo jewelry for sponsoring us in today's video. Don't forget again to use those discount codes to get monies off your purchase. And thank you to all of you who stayed to the end, and happy Valentine's Day or happy Galentine's Day to you all. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.